Up next in fourth place is the Land Guard. This is a heavy-duty galvanized steel raised garden bed that is constructed from a Q195 metal sheet with a wave structure and oval shape that can withstand tremendous pressure. It's clearly intended to last, and we like that it will not be deformed easily and can be reused for many years to come. Plus, the upgraded arc-shaped design makes the interface smoother. When comparing this product with ordinary rectangular elevated garden beds, we found that it was easier to set up. This galvanized stock tank only takes about 5 minutes to quickly assemble and get to cultivating plants. What's more, as this raised garden bed is designed with an open base, it can effectively avoid water accumulation and decay to protect the roots of the plants and allows the roots to absorb nutrients better. Therefore, we particularly like that it comes in different colors, which include silver, gray, green, brown, and blue, which offers you the choice of finding one that will fit your personal taste and style. Its pros are, it is very durably made, so it can be used year after year without an issue. It is easy to set up so that even beginners can start planting straight away, and it has different color options that can fit your style. However, the edges can be pretty sharp, so you must be careful when putting it together. The Land Guard is an excellent choice for any gardening enthusiast that wants a more permanent planter. Still haven't found a raised garden bed that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.